A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are going to learn Surah Al-Mujadila, Ruku number 2 and 3, English translation. Alam tara, do you not know, Anna Allah, that Allah, Ya'lamu, knows, Ma fis samawat, whatever is in the heavens, wa ma fil ard, and whatever is in the earth. Ma yakunu min najwa, there is no whispering, salasatin, of three, illa, but huwa rabium, he is their fourth, wala khamsatin, and there is no any whisper of five, illa, but huwa sadisuhum, he is their sixth, wala adna min zalik, wala aksar, nor of less or more than that, illa huwa ma'ahum, but he is with them, aynama kanu, wherever they are. Summa yunabbihum bima amilu yawm al-qiyamah, then on the day of rising he will alert them to the actions that they used to do. Inna Allah bi kulli shay'in alim, surely Allah knows everything full well. Alam tara ila allazina, have you not seen those nuhu anin najwa, who were forbidden to whisper, summa ya'uduna lima nuhu an, then they started doing the same that they were forbidden to do, bil ismi wa yatanajawna bil ismi wal udwan wa ma'siyatir rasul, and they whisper about sin and revolt and disobedience of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. وَإِذَا جَاءُوكَ, and when they come to you, your presence, حَيَّوْكَ بِمَا لَمْ يُحَيِّكَ بِهِ اللَّهُ, they greet you with the words with which Allah has not greeted you. وَيَقُولُونَ فِي أَنفُسِهِمْ, and they say in their hearts, لَوْلَا يُعَذِّبُنَ اللَّهُ بِمَا نَقُولُ, why does Allah not punish us for what we say? حَسْبُهُمْ جَهَنَّمْ, hell is sufficient for them. يَصْلَوْنَهَا, they will enter it. فَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ, and it is an extremely evil abode. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O believers, iza tanajaytum, when you whisper amongst yourselves, fala tatanajaw bil ismi wal udwan wa ma'siyatir rasul, so whisper not sin, injustice, revolt, and disobedience to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. وَتَنَاجَوْا بِالْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى, but whisper piety and God-wariness. وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ, and keep fearing Allah. الَّذِي إِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ, before whom you all will be gathered. إِنَّمَا النَّجْوَى مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ, whispering is by Satan alone. لِيَحْزُنَ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, so that he may cause anguish to the believers. وَلَيْسَ بِضَارِّهِمْ شَيْئًا إِلَّا بِإِذْنِ اللَّهِ, but in truth he cannot do any harm to them except by Allah's command. وَعَلَى اللَّهِ فَلْيَتَوَكَّلِ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ, and the believers should trust Allah alone. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O believers, iza qila lakum, when it is said to you, tafassahu fil majalis, open up and make room in your gatherings. Fafsahu, then open up and make room. Yafsahillahu lakum, Allah will provide you with ample room. Wa iza qila, and when it is said, unshuzu, rise up. فَانْشُزُوا, then rise up. يَرْفَعِ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنْكُمْ, Allah will raise those in ranks who believe from amongst you. وَالَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ دَرَجَاتٍ, and who are given knowledge. وَاللَّهُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ خَبِيرٌ, and Allah is well aware of the works that you do. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O believers, iza when najaytumur rasul, you seek to submit some secret to the messenger, peace be upon him. فَقَدِّمُوا بَيْنَ يَدَيْ نَجْوَاكُمْ صَدَقَةً, and in private give something in charity before you submit your secret. ذَلِكَ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ وَطُهَرٌ, this is better and purer for you. فَإِن لَمْ تَجِدُوا, but if you do not find anything to charity, فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ غَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ, so then Allah is most forgiving, ever merciful. أَشْفَقْتُمْ أَن تُقَدِّمُوا بَيْنَ يَدَيْ نَجْوَاكُمْ صَدَقَاتٍ, are you worried about donating in charity before your submission to the messenger, peace be upon him? فَإِذْ لَمْ تَفْعَلُوا, so when you did not do, وَتَابَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْكُمْ, and Allah lifted from you opprob, restriction. فَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ, so establish prayer. وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ, and pay zakah. وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ, and obey Almighty Allah. وَرَسُولَهُ, and His Messenger. وَاللَّهُ خَبِيرٌ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ, and Allah is well aware of all the deeds that you do. أَلَمْ تَرَ إِلَى الَّذِينَ, have you not seen those تَوَلَّوْا قَوْمًا, who make friends with such a party, غَضِبَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِمْ, whom upon whom Allah sent wrath, مَا هُمْ مِنْكُمْ, they are neither of you, وَلَا مِنْهُمْ, nor of them, وَيَحْلِفُونَ عَلَى الْكَذِبِ, and they take false oaths, وَهُمْ يَعْلَمُونَ, whilst they know. عَدَّ اللَّهُ لَهُمْ عَذَابًا شَدِيدًا, Allah has prepared for them severe punishment. إِنَّهُمْ سَاءَ مَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ, indeed it is an evil work that they are doing. اتَّخَذُوا أَيْمَانَهُمْ جُنَّةً, they have made their false oaths a shield. فَصَدُّوا عَنْ سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ, so they hinder from the way of Allah. فَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ مُهِينٌ, Allah consequently there is a humiliating punishment for them. لَن تُغْنِي عَنْهُمْ أَمْوَالُهُمْ وَلَا أَوْلَادُهُمْ مِنَ اللَّهِ شَيْئًا, neither their wealth nor their children will never be able to save them from the punishment of Almighty Allah. أُولَٰئِكَ أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ, it is they who are the inmates of hell. هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ, they will live in it forever. يَوْمَ يَبْعَثُهُمُ اللَّهُ جَمِيعًا, the day when Allah will raise up all of them. فَيَحْلِفُونَ لَهُ, then they will swear to Him. كَمَا يَحْلِفُونَ لَكُمْ, as they swear to you. وَيَحْسَبُونَ أَنَّهُمْ عَلَى شَيْءٍ, and they assume that they are on a right thing. أَلَا إِنَّهُمْ هُمُ الْكَاذِبُونَ, beware, they are liars. إِسْتَحْوَذَ عَلَيْهِمُ الشَّيْطَانُ, Satan has gained mastery over them. فَأَنْسَاهُمْ ذِكْرَ اللَّهِ, so he has made them forget the remembrance of Almighty Allah. أُولَٰئِكَ حِزْبُ الشَّيْطَانِ, it is they who are Satan's army. أَلَا إِنَّ حِزْبَ الشَّيْطَانِ هُمُ الْخَاسِرُونَ, know that indeed it is the party of Shaitan who are the losers. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يُحَادُّونَ اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ, surely those who maintain enmity against Almighty Allah and His Messenger, أُولَٰئِكَ فِي الْأَذَلِّينَ, it is they who are of the lowest of mankind. Kataballahu la'aghlibanna ana wa rusuli. Allah has destined, most certainly I and my messenger will dominate. Inna Allah qawiyyun aziz. Surely Allah is most strong, almighty. La tajidu qawman yu'minuna billahi wal yawmil akhir. You will never find those who believes in Allah and the day of rising. Yuwaduna, making friends. Man hadallah wa rasulahu. With anyone who is hostile to Allah and His Messenger. Walau kanu, even though they are aba'ahum, their fathers, aw abna'ahum, are their sons, aw ikhwanahum, are their brothers, aw ashiratahum, are their near relatives. Ulaika kataba fi qulubihimul iman. It is they, Allah has inscribed faith, wa ayyadahum bi ruhim min, and has strengthened them with His Spirit. Wa yudkhiluhum jannatin tajri min tahtihal anhar, and He will admit them to the gardens with stream flowings under them. Khalidina fiha, they will live in it, them forever. Radiyallahu anhum, Allah is pleased with them. Waradu an, and they are pleased with Allah. Ulaika hizbullah, it is they who are the party of Allah. Ala inna hizballahi humul muflihun. Remember, it is the party of Almighty Allah that attain to the goal. Sadaqallahu Mawlana al-Azim.